Hello my dear subscribers, I'm happy to see you again on my channel. Today we will travel together to the Lower Sukak village and see the life of a lone woman living here. This village is located next to a small river, so the sound of rushing water can be heard in the houses here. There's as much work here as ever, and the lawns are overgrown, and it's time to mow them. Our character uses a scythe to mow the grass and feed some of it to the pets, and the rest is dried and stored in the warehouse. Here, domesticated animals are mainly sheep, cows and chickens. This river flows under the high mountains and provides water to the whole village. It also makes nature more beautiful. As the day heats up, the ground hardens, so the plants grow well. The ground must be plowed. The best tool for plowing is the ketman. Now it's time for our character to start cooking. Today, she is making Immerse, one of the traditional foods of this village. The women of Sukak village prepare the dough very well. They have a lot of experience in this matter. In fact, the Uzbek people love to eat food made from dough. In the next videos, we will certainly see the most favorite Uzbek dishes together. For this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly show the lives of ordinary people. Don't forget to click like for our videos and leave your comments. We will definitely respond to every of them. The cauldron is heated using wood. Almost 90% of the food is cooked using wood. Soon the ingredients began to fall into the pot. First the onion, then the meat, and finally water is added, and the food is boiled for a long time. The longer the food is boiled, the tastier it is. Plants such as dill and coriander are also grown in this yard. Our character is going to make a delicious meal from the extra chicken fillet. You don't need anything extra for this meal. Chicken, potatoes and onions. We put water and let it simmer for 1 hour, and there is still some work to be done before it's cooked. As we said in our previous videos, many people in this village dry grapes in winter. Dried grapes are called mages. These raisins are cleaned and then taken for consumption or sold in the bazaar. Mages is one of the national Uzbek snacks. When a guest comes home, a variety of dry fruits and, of course, magis are put on the table. The main ingredient of this dish is the cut dough, which gives the dish a special taste. Now it's time to find out about the cow and her baby and milk the cow at the same time. This expressed milk is used for household purposes, for breakfast in the morning, for cooking various pastries, and for obtaining other products from milk. Dough is put into the boiling soup. Then mix well. The last step of our meal remains. Add yogurt and freshly cut coriander, and it's ready. This meal has an unusual, delicious taste. You will surely enjoy the taste when you come to this village. Our second meal is ready too. The sight whets the appetite. We would like to express our gratitude to this woman and wish her a pleasant appetite. That's the end of today's journey. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.